Hi everyone, so I am back with another video. This is a home bargains haul video. I recently went in because I needed to get some food and some like juices and snacky bits and things for the kids, but obviously when I went in I found some bits in there, so I thought I would just make a video to show you what I have got. So we'll just dive straight in, and the first thing that I got is this 12 pack of Standard Post solar lights. These were only £7.99, which is an absolute bargain. You get 12 in a pack. It's literally less than 80p a light. Obviously these are for my garden. I want to pop it around them, like the fence and up the path and things like that. So I do have 2 packs, so I've got 24 lights altogether. So that was those, and I think they're a really good buy. Then the next thing I purchased was this little bad boy. This is a small picture shelf, and you can see on the diagram there that's what it is. I want this for in my house, and I just want to pop a couple of little ornaments and things on it. So yeah, I picked it in the black, and like that's literally it. You just kind of fasten it to the wall like that, and it's just a nice thin shelf. That was £4.99. It was either £4.99 or £3.99, but really good price for that. What else did I get? I'll show you guys these. Now, some people love them, some people hate them, but I absolutely love them. I don't know how you guys feel about them, but I have wanted these in my garden for the longest time ever, and I've never found any that are like so cute and the ones that I like. But I actually picked up these 3 gnomes. How cute are these? These were like literally £1.49, guys. £1.49 for these gnomes. You literally can't go wrong, and they look so cute. So we have one with a little like toadstool there. Then we have one just kind of folding his arms and chilling out there. And then this one's so cute. He actually has his own little watering can. But yeah, £1.49 each, guys. Like, what a bargain are those? And they're such a nice size as well. They're not the tiny little ones that you kind of see in other shops and things. They are like a really good size. So they are to go in my garden. I just absolutely love them. So amazing. So yeah, like I say, I'm not sure how you guys feel about gnomes, but I personally love them. Absolutely love them, and for £1.49, like, you literally cannot go wrong. I'm just going to kind of shove a few of these back here to make a little bit of room. Next we'll move on to cleaning supplies. I just picked up a few things. First one was this Duck Deep Action Gel in the scent Fruitopia. It smells absolutely amazing. It says on here it is a limited edition. This was, I think this was only £1. I'm sure it was. It was either £1 or £1.50. But it smells absolutely gorgeous, so I picked that up. Then I picked up my trusty old Lenore Unstopables air freshener in the scent Sweet Dreams. This is my favourite scent ever. I love it. This is quite expensive for an air freshener. It's £2.99, but I love the smell that much that I'm willing to kind of pull out that amount. So yeah. Next 2 items I got are from the brand Fabulosa. And I know the pound shop and everything does these obviously for £1, but these are only 79p in home bargains. So I got Wild Rhubarb and Spring Blossom, and my god, they smell absolutely insane. They come in loads of different scents and everything as well. I don't know if I said these are just like disinfectant sprays. It kills 99.9% of bacteria. So it's just ready to use. You just spray it on the area and kind of wipe it down. It cleans and shines, eliminates odours, and it's got a long-lasting freshness. The scents of them are absolutely amazing. So if you haven't checked those out, I definitely recommend them. And like I say, they're only 79p in home bargains, whereas obviously Pound Shop and B&M, I think it is, they are £1. So yeah. Then the next few items that I've got is like candles and wax melts. You all know, if you watch my videos, that I absolutely love candles. So I bought a few of their big candles. This is my favourite scent that Home Bargains does. This is in Pink Rhubarb and Pear. I've bought these candles for the longest time. They smell absolutely insane. This is like a big, massive, huge size candle, and these are £2.99, guys. £2.99. You literally cannot go wrong. So I picked up 2 of those because, like I say, that one's my favourite scent, and I always find that this one is the one that sells out the fastest, the pink rhubarb and pear. It just goes as soon as it hits the shelf. So yeah, if you haven't tried that scent, I definitely recommend you to try it. Then I also picked up another big candle, and oh sorry, I just knocked the camera there. Picked up another candle, and this is in the scent Hawaiian Breeze. Now I think this is a new one because I've not seen this scent in there before, but oh my god, it just smells amazing. It smells of holidays, like a nice cocktail that you would drink around the pool on a sunny beach. It just smells absolutely insane. And like I say, £2.99. Guys, honestly, you've got to try Home Bargain candles if you haven't. And then obviously that was the Hawaiian Breeze candle. So then I picked up 3 packets of the Hawaiian Breeze scented wax melts. So these come in this, and you just kind of break one off and pop it into a melt warmer with your little tea light underneath. These are 79p a pack. 79p a pack. Absolutely amazing. They smell so strong, they burn beautifully, and they really scent the whole room. I can't recommend these enough. So obviously I picked up 3 packs of the Hawaiian Breeze one. They didn't have the wax melts in the pink rhubarb and pear scent. They never do in mine. I'm very lucky if I ever find that scent in there, but I've seen those candles, so I grabbed those. So I just picked up some more of the little wax melts. I picked one up in the scent Strawberry Eton Mess. This camera is just not even focusing at all, is it? There. I'm really sorry if this camera's been out of focus the whole video, guys. But I picked this up in the shade scent Strawberry Eton Mess, and this smells absolutely sensational. Again, you could literally eat these when they're burning. They smell that good. And then the last one that I picked up is Pineapple Crush. Again, I've not seen this scent in there before, so I feel like this is a new one as well. This smells so fresh and absolutely, it smells so fresh and absolutely gorgeous. This is a really good scent to burn in your kitchen. Like pineapple is so fresh and fruity, and oh, it's just so amazing. So that was everything that I got from Home Bargains. Not overly exciting, but I did pick up quite a few things. So yeah, that was my little Home Bargains haul. Like I say, if you have not tried those candles, you guys need to try them ASAP. And yes, I hope you have all enjoyed my little haul. Comment down below who loves my gnomes, because I am literally obsessed with them. But I know that some people are funny with them. Let me know whether you like gnomes or not. But yeah, that was my haul. Candles, wax melts, a few little cleaning products, obviously my gnomes, and the little shelf, and some solar lights. So yes, everybody, I hope you have all enjoyed this little video. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video. Thanks everyone. Bye.